It's alright, okay. I'm so much better without you. I won't be sorry. Alright, mama, no. Tell me something I don't know. Something I don't know. Something I don't know.
We're on the set of Dog Therapist. There is our characters, yeah. And then there's me. I'm camera girl today.
Hey. Hi. I'm
Alright.
practicing with Dog Therapist.
Turn off the light to see if it's gonna show. Please.
Darn you! Darn you!
Turn it on.
Ah!
So Jaitsa, are you ready? I mean Jay, are you ready?
Hello! This
Are
is
you
what
ready?
we do.
Oh my god, are you serious?
This is what we do.
Don't I look good in yellow? Look at this.
This is what we do behind the set. On set. I retarded a character. And I didn't film a nun.
Are you serious?
I will kill this teddy bear.
Why? It has
Hey, no. Okay.
a...
So today's scene is dog. Wow, what?
Hey, calm down. There's no... Oh. Jay, why are you scared? There's nobody here. We're in a house by ourselves, just so you know.
Oh my god. I need my makeup. I need my makeup. So anybody could come, you know, anybody could come.
Anybody can come in here.
Come and kill us with a knife. Oh my god. I need my pepper spray. Oh my god. My makeup.
What the hell is that? Oh my god.
I'm scared.
So freaking serious. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? I swear to God. What the hell is that? Oh my god. You see the closet move? Oh my god, look at that! What the hell is that? You see, just scratch on the door and then knock on the window? Straight that shoot, it won't fall. Shh. What the hell is that? Bambi's not here. Bambi went just now with Tito.
That's a lie. Look at me there, see?
Bambi just, right? The guy moving. He just went Juan a shut and leave.
Yeah.
I swear.
Yeah, that's thing.
What the hell? Hey! Mommy! Mommy! Ah! Jaitsa, cover yourself. Cover yourself, Jaitsa. I swear. I see us. Oh my god, light gun. Where's the switch? What the hell? I swear, Bambi Gano. Yeah. But you didn't see when he went upon his shot?
That's true. I forget.
Jaitsa, I promise you that Bambi God.
You just help me do this.
What are we gonna do, dude? Look, the clouds are moving.
Okay.
what happens after she gets scared. You've just been punked. The realest way. No. And we're getting ratted on. Her fault. It was her.
No, I'm sorry. It was Angie's watching.
I planned it, yeah.
And her brother. Would you like to say anything to the fans?
That was hilarious. I got a headache for screaming. Okay,
Wait.
that's the dog therapist.
Okay, and we're out.
Yeah! But you didn't see when he went to party shop? Taste, I promise you that bomb be gone.
Go ahead. Okay.
It's alright.